Want to unlock the hidden story within your data? Let's dive into creating histograms in Tableau. First, connect to your data source in Tableau. For this example, we'll use the sample Superstore dataset, but feel free to follow along with your own data. Now, drag the dimension or measure you want to analyze to the columns shelf. I will be using sales here. Next, select the histogram chart type from the Show Me menu in the upper right-hand corner. Tableau automatically creates bins based on your data. To customize these bins, right-click on the dimension that was automatically created in the data pane and select Create Greater Than Bins. In the Create Bins dialog box, adjust the size of bins to your desired interval. Remember, smaller bins offer more detail, while larger bins provide a broader overview. Drag this new bin field to the row shelf. This shows the frequency of values within each bin, completing your histogram. Examine your histogram for patterns, outliers, or skewness. This visualization makes it easy to spot trends and understand the distribution of your data. And that's it. You've successfully created a histogram in Tableau. Subscribe for more Tableau tips and tricks.